This is Damien and Hector from Street Culture, doing an unboxing of ESS tuning supercharger G1 for the E92 M3 that we're going to be working on. Let's see what goodies came in here. It's a little heavy. Looks like the packaging is well sealed. It's like Christmas on July. Alright, comes with a packing list. Basically they're telling you exactly what comes in the box. So if you're missing anything, you can go ahead and call them up, let them know what you're missing. Alright, you got all this paper coming inside the box. First goodie box right here. You could do the honors. See what we got here. ESS supercharger user guide. More directions to follow. Very simple to read. Go ahead right there. And it looks like, what is this? Supercharger. Pulley. Ooh. You got the other one right here. Pull it out. Looks like that's a blower. Got the blower right here. Very good quality. Nice and clean. No scratches on it. We make sure that it's all intact before we get going. Air filter? No, it's just tubing for the air flow. Coolant hoses. And some coolant hoses right there for the charger. This is, by the way, the cooled system, which actually comes with a what is it called, the intercooler. So this is a cooled system. That's why it's actually rated at 600 and change horsepower. And what do we got right there?
It's like a bracket for the supercharger.
Here's the tune for it. So that one is actually a tune that comes with the system. It's ready for your car, and it's already made for your specifications. Has a USB chip right there that you put into your computer, so you can download it into the car, and it comes with the adapter. I even got a badge. Just with this badge alone, it adds 25 more horsepower. Comes with some more lubricant for the system, so that we can go ahead and make sure that all the parts are lubricated, so that when you get a start off, it's not a harsh start.
Right here we got the intercooler.
So this is a this is pretty heavy, so that's good. Intercooler core, good quality, has no damages whatsoever on the little fins. So you always make sure that all this is well intact and is not damaged.
So it's an air to water.
Air to water. Okay. Oh, and we got a K&N filter. There's about another 100 horsepower to the system. So also make sure you check it out. Make sure it's not bent, damaged. Comes with the clamp. It's nice and sealed, well taken care of. So it looks like they package it very well, so that customers, when they receive it, they don't have any damaged parts.
Spark plugs.
Funny, my car has only had spark plugs changed like about a month ago, so we're gonna do it again. More piping. And this is gonna be, hold on, let me move this out of the way. Yeah, that's gonna be the manifold. This one is gonna be the intake manifold, where all the air goes in to and separates to every single one of the cylinders.
It's a nice piece, huh?
It's a very nice piece, solid. You can feel the weight. ESS tuning again. Very, very pleased with the quality. And all the bolts, clamps,
Comes with all the hardware
necessary for the kit. A couple more small goodies right here for the supercharger. What is it? The blow-off valve for the system. Maxwell Engineering. Looks very nice, good quality. Nothing damaged, looks good. So you gotta always make sure that you're taking time to really analyze every part that you get. Make sure that it's quality and that it's not damaged, bent, or missing anything. Because you don't want to get halfway through your project, through your build, and you're missing something. So it's good to make sure that, you know, we haven't done it yet, but we will take inventory with a packing list to make sure that we got all the parts that's specified in the sheet. That way when we're working on the car, it's not we're not missing something and taking extra time.
Because with the water pump for the coolant, for the intercooler system.
So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I mean, I'm pretty excited to get ready with this system for my car. It's a 2009 E92 M3. So far, I had it running on E85. Deleted the cats. I dumped the exhaust right in front of the rear wheel. Never dynoed it, but I did feel the difference in the pool. I was happy with the power, but typical car guy, you gotta have more power, right, Hector? And
it's like a drug.
Yeah, it's like a drug. It's addicting. So, like I said, you know, this is the master mechanic right here with Street Culture, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. We are going to be doing the next video where we're going to be doing the actual install on the car. It's going to take about 8 to 10 hours according to the ESS tuning instructions. Hopefully we can cut that time a little bit faster, and stick around for the next video so that you guys can see what this little baby can do. I'm really happy with ESS tuning. There's a lot of superchargers out there. I did my homework before I decided to pull out on one of these, and one of the things that I found out was that ESS tuning has been around for the longest, and year after year they tend to have the better performance, quality parts. Personally, I think it looks a lot better. The Palladium looks a lot better than others. There's a lot more superchargers out there, but again, it depends what you want to pay for, what power range you're looking for. I wanted to do something safe for the car. I don't want to push it to another level because I don't plan on building the internals of the engine. So this is the safest supercharger personally that I would recommend. Hopefully after maybe the third, fourth video, we'll go ahead and dyno the car somewhere. We'll look for a good dyno, see what the actual numbers come to the car. Alright guys, so welcome to the YouTube channel again. I'm Damien.
I'm Hector.
With Street Culture. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe, like our channel. Any questions, suggestions, make sure you hit us up in the comment section down below. You know, this is going to be exciting, so stick around for video number 2.